In this video, we will make our door and window openings in walls. To do that, first turn off our 3D wall layer. I click here. Now we'll make some rectangles here. Like this. Sorry, actually, we will work in zero layer now. Select rectangles. Click here and like this. So and also here, sorry, also this portion, this is our garage door and this is our main door. So keep this reference point like this. Okay. Okay, now we will use extrude command. Select this rectangles which we have made. Select everywhere. First we will actually making our windows, so we will only select the windows. Now press spacebar and give the direction and give the distance. So our window is 4 foot by 4 foot, so give 4 foot. Now we need to put this in upwards 2 feet, as our window will be 2 feet from our ground. So now use move command. Select this point, give the direction and give the height 2 feet like this. As you can see, now our windows has been created. Now we will turn on our wall layer. As you can see, some is between this, so we need to subtract this. To do that, use subtract command. Is UD subtract. Select that wall layer. So select this layer. Press spacebar. Then select this wall. Also this here. And here. And press enter to command. As you can see, okay, this one somehow not. Actually, it is, sorry, I have to subtract it, so just take subtract command, select this wall, press bar, then select this object and press it. Now repeat it. As you can see, our window opening has been created. Now we need to create our door openings also. And to do that, again we will turn off our 3D wall layer and take extrude command. Select this object, press enter and give direction 6 feet 6 inches. Okay. Now turn on our wall layer again and subtract this. take subtract command, select all, press enter, select this object and select this object, press spacebar. Okay, now our door opening has been created. In next video we will make our 3D windows. Okay, thank you.